Hey guys, Pan TheOrganizer here. So today we're going to this Costco here in Montreal, Canada to have a look at what are the good detailing products that are available. So leave a comment down below if you see products that you like. Are there more things in your local Costco? And also if the prices are better as well. So I'm going to give you kind of like a rundown of what are the good detailing products that you guys can purchase there. So let's go inside and have a look at what's available. All right, so to start things off, we have these here, which I featured in a recent affordable detailing products video that you guys could get on Amazon. So the microfiber towels that I had recommended are these Kirkland microfiber towels. So the yellow ones, a pack of 36. So if you actually buy them at Costco, they're even less expensive. So that is a pretty good purchase. So here in Canada, they're $29.99. For prices in USD, so you guys know, just take a third off roughly with the currency exchange. So yeah, these are very good bang for buck microfiber towels, general purpose. Just to show you the rear if you guys want to see that. So the classic Kirkland yellow towels, also known as the signature towel microfiber towels. What else do they have? So pressure washer, this one here seems to be from Husqvarna. They have a bigger gas pressured one here. It's a little too much, this one here, 3,200 PSI. So always adjust that to less than 2,000. To detail cars, anything between 1,000 to 2,000 PSI is fine. They have this little power play unit. See, 2,000 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute. That's on the lower side as far as water output. Ideally, you want 1.3, 1.5 or higher up. The more water output, so gallons per minute, the more foam you're getting, the more suds, and it's better to wash cars. But 1.2 is a good entry point. So this one here, $199.99 Canadian dollars, and the Husqvarna is 500 Canadian dollars. They have the classic invisible glass, so one of my favorite glass cleaners made by Stoner. You guys can also use this at home, of course, to clean up your chrome, your mirrors, and all that kind of stuff. But this here is perfect to leave no streaks. I know a lot of you guys like that too. So do they have the price here? Yes, here is the price. So $15.99 Canadian dollars for a 4-pack. So that is a very good deal actually to get these guys. So this is the new bottles, same product, but they have the black caps now instead of the yellow caps. That's my understanding. So very, very good glass cleaner. Next, for a lot of people who like quick things in a wipe format, they have this value pack. So they have a lot of kits at Costco. So this is a 5-pack of Armor All wipes. So you have the protectant, 2 of those, you have the glass wipes, and you have the 2 bottles of cleaning wipes. So this is the rear of the pack. So I'm not a big fan of wipe type products on cloths, but if you guys need those, they have them. The price here in Canada is $22.99 Canadian dollars. So for a 5-pack, you let me know, do you guys use any wipe type products for your vehicle? I'd be curious to know. Costco's are always packed with people, right? You come here looking for one item, guys, and you end up leaving with 100 items on your list. Am I right? Drop a comment if you feel the same way. So there is this car wash kit. So with a brush, I wouldn't probably use this on paint there, because that's, I think, their recommended use, but no way. A few microfiber towels, some sponges, and a wheel brush here. So how much? 31 Canadian dollars for that. Not too sure about that one. Platinum, I think they can do better than that. And that is, I think, pretty much it. So I was quite disappointed from the selection of products available to wash or detail your car. I asked around, and that's what they told me they had. Ouch. So do you guys have more than that in the US? I think the answer is yes, because I've seen a few other videos on other channels, and it seems that you have access to a bit more product selections. So yeah, I'm sad to report, guys, that's pretty much it for detailing stuff. We're gonna try some other stores and give you the lowdown. So drop a like, subscribe to the channel for more detailing content, and don't forget to keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.